Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a look at the 2022 Chevrolet Blazer LT. This Blazer is featured in a white paint finish and a jet black interior finish. Under the hood is our 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission, as well as our all-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle is 5-passenger seating on cloth seating surfaces. We have a power driver seat with heated seats in the front of the vehicle. Also have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, forward collision alert, as well as lane keep assist, and a backup camera. Outside the vehicle, we have our redline package, so we have redline accents throughout, black alloy wheels, as well as a powered liftgate. Starting off in the front of our Blazer, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. On our mirrors, we do have our blind spot monitors. The rest of the bottom of the door, we have storage, as well as our powered liftgate and our speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls, as well as an electronic parking brake. Our audio controls are on the back of the steering wheel, and we have a power driver seat with power adjustable lumbar, finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, have our display cluster with a digital information system in the center, including our trip computers, oil life, tire pressure monitors, air filter life, and much more. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings with our forward collision alert, audio controls behind, as mentioned before. Right-hand side has voice recognition, hands-free, as well as the controls for that display cluster information system, and more audio controls. Push to start ignition just up to the right. Auto stop start and hazard lights are below it. Moving to the infotainment system, if we go into audio and more, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Phone connection, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And also adjust our climate directly through the screen. Second page, we have our camera settings. If we click on it, we can see we have our backup with adaptive guidelines as well as a hitch view guideline. Then we have home, seek, volume, and our back below. Powered glove box release as well as our traction control. Hit the glove box release so we can see it snaps out. And we can just push it back into place. Below our infotainment screen, we have heated passenger and heated driver seat on either side. Dual zone climate that we can adjust the temperatures through our lever or through our fans. Can close the fans up by switching on the center. Fan controls in the center as well as our front and rear defrost. Then we have a USB-C and USB. Some storage throughout below, as well as a leather finish shifter and our rear park assist, lane keep assist, and our drive mode, including our two-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, and then our sport mode, off-road, and driver or trailer mode. Going back to our key fob, we have locks and unlocks, our remote start, powered liftgate, as well as our alarm system. Then we have some storage before our leather finished center console. Inside, deep storage and a 12-volt plug. Passenger seat also finished in that same jet black cloth and heated for the passenger. Lastly, moving above the rearview mirror, we have all of our OnStar buttons, front dome lights, as well as dome lighting control for the whole vehicle, universal garage door opener with our 3 settings, and then a sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of our vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have our black and red alloy rim with a Chevrolet bowtie center cap and our wheel locks. Moving out, we have our paint match black capped mirrors with our red line as well. Blazer badging in black and red on the front door. Black finished door handles with our keyless entry. Moving all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we have black Blazer or black bowtie, Blazer and all-wheel drive in black and red, as well as dual exhaust tips. Opening up the back of the vehicle, we have our power release on the bottom. And also open it from the front of the vehicle or from our key fob. In the back of the vehicle itself, we have a 60/40 folding rear split seat. You can see we can recline it more, and we can also fold these seats directly from either side of the vehicle. Storage throughout, as well as a 12-volt plug. More storage underneath, as well as our full-size 5th tire. Carpeted floor mats for the vehicle. To close the back of the vehicle, we have power release on the left, as well as a manual release on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finished door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have map storage pockets in the front of the driver and passenger seat. 2 vents, as well as a USB-C and USB for charging. Second row seats, we have a 60/40 folding bench split finished in our jet black cloth. In the center seat, we have our 2 foldable cup holders, rubber finished insert that we can easily clean. To fold the second row seats, we have a release on the side or through the back of the vehicle. Folds flat with the back of the vehicle to make additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Blazer LT. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.